Dear students, I am Ranjit, your math teacher in Paramount Public School, Chima. Today we will study class 7 maths. Next topic, Bodmer's rule. It is very important rule. This rule is applicable where there are more than two operators in the question. You know there are four mathematical operators: addition, subtraction, multiply and division. If in any question you find more than two operators, two or more than two operators, then you have to apply Bodmer's rule. Okay beta? Means this rule help to you which operator you have to operate first in the question. Move according to the letters in the digit. Like the first letter is B. B stand for bracket. If in your question there is any bracket, you have to solve the bracket first. And O, next letter is O. O stand for off. Off is like multiply. Beta, off is like multiply. But you have to perform it just after the bracket. Understood? And your next letter is beta D. After off, you have to perform division. D stand for division. And next letter is M. M stand for multiplication. After the division, you have to perform multiplication. And next letter is beta A. A stand for addition. So after multiplication, you have to perform addition in your question. And at the end, last letter is S. At the end, you have to perform subtraction. S stand for subtraction. Understood beta? So according to the letters in the digit, letters in the word Bodmer's, you have to move in your question. Okay? Which letter come first? You will perform that operation first. Clear beta? Now I am starting your exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Question first. 36 divided by 6 plus 3. Now beta look here. There are two operators, division and addition. Which letter come first in the word? D come first. Then A. So you have to perform division first. So 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6 plus 3 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Very easy. And your second question, 24 plus 15 divided by 3. Third question, 120 minus 20 divided by 4. These two questions are similar like the first one. So try these questions by yourself. Understood beta? Now I am moving on the question 4th. Question 4th is very important question beta. Take care about that. Listen or watch it clearly. Question 4th is 32 minus 3 multiply 5 plus 4. Now firstly beta look at the question. Is there any bracket? Yes, obvious there is a bracket. B stand for bracket. So you have to perform, you have to solve the bracket first. So inside the bracket 3 multiply 5, 15 plus 4. Bracket is solved. Now beta, we have two operations, subtraction and addition. Which we will perform first is first than s, so you will perform addition first. But beta look here, here 15 is of minus, so you can't add 15 plus 4 because 50 in minus, 15 is in a minus. When one number in minus, one in plus, we have to perform the subtraction. But according to Bodmer's rule, there are two operator plus and minus. Now look, which number are positive? 32 is positive and 4 is positive. Now 32 plus 4, according to Bodmer's rule, we will perform addition first. 32 plus 4 is equal to 36 and minus 15. Now one operator is left only, 36 minus 15 is equal to 21. Understood beta? Very important question. And your next question is question 5th. 3 minus 5 minus 6 divided by 3. Now look here beta, is there any bracket? Yes, here is a bracket. So inside the bracket there are two operator, subtraction and division. D is first than S. So you have to divide first. Perform the division first. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Understood beta? Now 5 minus 2, bracket is again there na. So we have to solve the bracket. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Clear beta? Now here question 6th. 21 minus 12 divided by 3 multiply 2. Now beta here we have three operator, multiply, divide and subtraction. Which is first? D's. Division is first. We will perform division first. Write other statement as it is. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 multiply 2. Now beta again two operator are here, minus and multiply. We will perform multiplication first. So 4 multiply 2, 8. And 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. Clear beta? This is your answer. So simply according to the letters in the word Bodmer's, you have to move in your question. Which letter come first? You have to perform that operation first. Clear beta? Now your next question is question 7th. Question 7th is 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 multiply 3. Now beta look here. Here are all the operator, all four operator are there. D, M, A and S. We have to perform D division first according to Bodmer's rule. 8 divided by 4. Write other statement as it is. You have to consider only this operation. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Other statement will be same. Okay beta. Now 3 operator left. 3 operator left. Last 3. Multiply, addition and subtraction. M is first. So you have to perform multiplication first. 16 plus 2. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. Now beta only 2 operator left here. Addition and subtraction. Last 2. From A and S. A is first. You will have to perform addition first. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. 18 minus 6. Understood beta? And 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. This is your question 7. Clear beta? Now I am moving on the next question. Question 8th, 28 minus 5 multiplies 6 plus 2. Try it by yourself, similar to this one. Question 9th beta, very important. Minus 20 multiply minus 1 plus minus 28 divided by 7. Now beta, look at the question. Is there any bracket? You will think there is a bracket. No. We will not consider this bracket because Budmer's rule is applied where there are two or more than two operator in the sum. Okay, but in this bracket beta, we have only one number. We haven't two number. Okay, so we will not consider this bracket. This bracket is simply to differentiate the sign. Like here, if I will write multiply and minus 1, it will be wrong. Okay, so to differentiate these two operator, he will write multiply, then bracket, then minus 1. Okay, so you have to consider only those brackets in which there are two or more than two numbers. Now beta, simply there are three operator: multiply, addition and division. You will perform the division first. Write other statement as it is. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. But I already explained you, if one number in minus, one in plus, then sign will be of minus. Okay. Now beta, two operator left, multiply and addition. We will perform M first because A is after the M. So minus 20 multiply minus 1. Both are of same sign. Then your final will be a positive value. 20 into 1 is equal to 20 plus minus 4. Now beta, look here. Here is a plus, here is a minus. In the last previous video of sign convention, I have explained a plus multiply with minus, then you will get minus. So here plus multiply minus, it is minus. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Understood beta? I hope you understood this very clearly, and I am moving on the next question. Your question 10th is minus 2 plus minus 8 divided by minus 4. Try it by yourself. Question 11th, minus 15 plus 4 divided by 5 minus 3. Now beta, look here. Is there any bracket? Yes. Here is a bracket. We will not consider that one because there is only one number in the bracket. Now here are two numbers. We have to consider only those brackets in which two or more than two numbers. Okay beta. So we have to solve this bracket. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. We will write here 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now beta, two operators are there, addition and division. We will perform division first according to Budmer's rule. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now beta, look here. Here is two number, one in minus, one in plus. In the previous sign convention video, I have explained if one number is in minus and one number is in plus, then you have to perform subtraction. You have to perform subtraction. If you haven't watched this lecture, so watch that video first. Then carry on with Budmer's rule. Okay beta. So here we will subtract 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. Now 15 is greater then 2. So sine of 15 will come here. Here it will be minus 13. Sine of 15 minus 13. Okay, beta. It is your question 11th. Now question 12th. Minus 40 multiply minus 1 plus minus 28 divided by 7. Question 13th. Minus 3 plus minus 8 divided by minus 4 minus 2 multiply minus 2. And question 14th. Minus 3 multiply minus 4 divided by minus 2 plus minus 1. Try these questions by yourself. Understood, beta? This is all about your exercise 1.3, and your next exercise 1.4 is also based on Budmas rule. So tomorrow we will discuss Budmas rule in more detail. Thank you.